Hey guys, we'll have our room tour here at Parkin by Radisson. So, nag-avail kami ng 2 rooms. Nandito tayo ngayon sa deluxe room with king size bed. And then the other one has 2 twin beds. Okay, let's start with the bathroom. Come inside, babe. Let's show them what we can see. And we have the blower, the toiletries, the towels, the small and big ones, tissue holder with tissue of course, and then yung mirror. And may mirror. And then this one is the shower area. It's not that spacious, medyo maliit yung space, but it will be okay kasi overnight stay, and basta naman magkakasya ka dyan, it's fine. And tapos ito yung toilet bowl and towels. Okay, mirror, full size mirror. Nandito yung pantry area with stuff, everything that you need kapag magko-coffee ka. Water, the complimentary bottles of water are here. Yung drawer, walang laman. And yung fridge inside. Medyo hindi malamig yung fridge. Yeah, we'll put the water inside later. Tapos ito yung kanilang cabinet. Ayan. Nandito yung ironing board. May plancha din sa loob. Laundry bag. Ayan, malibre yan. Tapos may slippers din dito. Ayan. Slippers. And hangers. Wooden hangers. Ayan. Ito yung king size bed. Kaming dalawa dun ni Papa sa kabila. Dito si Mami, tsaka si Kat. Sa kabila twin size, dito yung king size bed. Ito yung wall with mga parang decorative lang na art pieces, parang dinikit lang siya. And then the television is not that big. I think 32 inches lang yan. And tapos may table, parang working table with swivel chair, and then of course the telephone. Tapos ang view dito sa room nila is here. Yan, the SMX Convention Center, where they hold concerts, of course, and events. And then adjacent dun sa SMX is SM Clark. Ayan, tapos may mga call centers din. Ayan, I-Core, Concentrics. Actually, walking distance lang from the hotel to Clark. It's just that umuulan kasi kanina. And yung pinanggalingan namin sa hotel, I mean sa mall, is medyo malayo to the hotel. So medyo napagod kami kanina. Yan. Okay. So we'll have our overnight stay here. Time for Father's Day.